Here's a quick overview of our free motivation program, Kickoff. Let's start with the challenge, which is that motivating students right now is just super hard. With everything going on in the world, getting students to show up and engage day after day is no easy feat. But teachers did report one bright spot from the fall, which was the power of teamwork. Specifically, hundreds of educators told us that having students work together to make progress in LearnStorm got their classes to show up and work hard, even during incredibly tough times. So Kickoff builds on that same sense of camaraderie to get your students energized this winter. Here's how it works. So all you have to do is go to your activity overview and on a weekly basis, copy in your students' progress right into your progress tracker. And then you set up your teams either within your classroom, breaking into groups, competing against other periods, or even other classrooms. And then you celebrate your progress with the big reveal, the scoreboard, and a chance to celebrate. And that celebration includes custom certificates with each student being acknowledged on their own personalized certificate, as well as the ability for you as the teacher to take your own little victory lap and show off with your certificate to your fellow educators. And when you do that, you're going to be automatically entered into our giveaway, which features 10 prize packs that include a Wacom drawing tablet, just like the one that Sal Khan uses, and a $100 gift card so you can commission your own celebration videos from top athletes and performers. And best of all, Kickoff is free and open to all educators, so feel free to dive in today.